2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, power tailgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.